Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here this morning looking for bass. It's winter, it's cold. We're gonna try a jerkbait. Let's do it. Here's what I'm fishing with today. Got a Berkeley fire stick, rattling jerkbait. This was sent to the show by Lard Almighty. At first glance, it looks pretty lifeless down here. I don't see any little rings, I don't see any shad, I don't see anything happening at all. Today I'm fishing the Abu Garcia Ultra Max 5 bearing Vengeance combo. I got this for like 40 bucks at Dick's a couple months ago. We'll see what happens. I wanted to imitate a slow, cold, dead, dying shad, just flitting off, pausing for a while. Honestly, there might not even be any fish around. This might be a total waste of time, but I'll give it a little while, then I'll try somewhere else. Hey, the beavers finally knocked that tree down. Pretty cool. All right, I gotta be careful for snags out here. I know there's some over in that direction, a little bit over there, so we'll just try right up the middle. Yeah, nothing. A few more casts at the boat launch, then we'll go somewhere else. So far all I'm catching here is leaves. Let's go try somewhere else. Let's try over here. I've been getting a fair amount of panfish in this area. Bluegills, the occasional crappie. Let's see if there are any bass. Yeah, I see a few shad hitting the surface. We'll see if there's anything interested in a jerkbait. I see a swim bait snagged in the tree right there. All right, we're gonna go for this area between the log and this tree. Please don't get snagged. Well, I started out wanting to go for bass, but the cast after cast after cast with no fish makes me want to try something else. All right, we're gonna fish this poor man's drop shot. Once I get this gulp minnow off of here. There we go, that wasn't so bad. Sometimes when you leave them on there and they get dried on, they can be a real pain in the ass. Here we go, gulp alive. One-inch minnow. Pretty much my go-to bait when the fishing sucks, like it does so far today. We're coming into Snag City over here, so I don't know how many rigs I feel like tying on today. We'll try to keep it out of there. I'd love to get some more of those big crappies. They're scattered throughout here once in a while. Little tiny bite. Oh! I think I had one for a second. Got him! Nice. What do we got here? Something that went for a gulp minnow. Looks like a bluegill. Pretty good size too. Nice. Nice big bluegill. Give me that minnow. Dropped it. This guy is so feisty. Damn it. Well, it was about a 6 or 7 inch bluegill. There we go, way out there. See if I get a bite out there, or if everything is just kind of localized right here. Yeah, nothing out that way. Starting to drag it closer and closer. We'll see if I get a bite. Got one. Doesn't feel very big. Another bluegill. Good size though. Good size. Not huge, but nice. Let's see if this one's a little more cooperative. No, don't fin me, bro. I'll let you go. I just want to look. There we go. Kind of silver, gold, and purple.